Causes. There are some causes based on the depreciation, like wear and tear. When the fixed asset are put to use constantly, rapidly in business operations, the value of such asset may decrease. And physical forces, like due to rains or winds or some kind of natural activities like floods, these are also depends on the depreciation part. And obsolescence, outdated product is also comes under the depreciation thing. Passage of time and exhaustion. So the value of asset may decrease due to the passage of time, even if it is not in use. For example, if you take any product and that is useless, or we are not using that, then the price definitely will depreciate. So exhaustion is another cause of depreciation. An asset may lose its value because of exhaustion of time and etc. Coming to reasons for providing depreciation, are there are several types of reasons is there to ascertain true profit and loss of the business, to know the true value, true and fair financial position of a business, better presentation of financial statements, to have funds and for replacement of assets, to ascertain the true cost of production, to comply with legal requirements, and more things about the reasons for providing the depreciation. And the methods, next part is the methods of depreciation. There are several types of methods following by depreciation part: the straight line method, or fixed installment method, reducing balanced method, annuity method, depreciation fund method, insurance policy method, revaluation method, depletion method, machine hour method. We'll discuss about later. Why? Because just only I took the information from the Google and the documents which is shared by Chanu sir. So the main points I have mentioned here only. So let's talk about another scenario. That there are several types of scenarios in depreciation part that will be explained by Mr. Baba later on. And general entries are also one of the major part. Why? Because without general entries we cannot post the depreciation things in configuration levels. Assets such as plant and machinery, buildings, vehicle, furniture, etc., which are expected to last more than 1 year. Already we discussed it earlier about this topic, but not for an infinite number for years, are subject to depreciation. The general entries of this depreciation, please make it make a note of it. Why? Because these are the main important entries which I'm thoroughly watching and thoroughly seeing in the scenarios. If there is no accumulated depreciation, the entry is depreciation account data to asset account creditor. And also, to transfer depreciation into profit and loss account in the entry is profit and loss account data to depreciation account. If there is an accumulated depreciation account, the entry is depreciation account data to accumulated depreciation creditor. And there are several types of interview questions based on the research. These are all the interview questions. What is the double declining balance method of depreciation? What is the general entry? What is the accounting general entry for depreciation? What is the contra asset account? What is the accumulated depreciation and asset accounting? Why is depreciation on the income statement different from the depreciation on the balance sheet? Is there a difference between an expense and expenditure? What is the cost principle? These are all the questions which is, for example, there are 150 to 60 questions raised in depreciation part in interview scenarios, but I took only 8 the most repeatedly asked questions is that, and I have provided the link also. The interview questions are here, and that's about the today's demonstration. Thanks a lot.
Okay, Harish. Next, Venkateswara garu నుంచి డెమోన్స్ట్రేట్ చేయాలి.
ఇదే కదా స్టార్ట్ షేరింగ్ అంటే.
నీ స్టాప్ షేర్ చేసి
Hello, good evening, friends. My name is B. Venkateswara.
Yes, Kavili.
I completed MBA in 2007. Okay, today I explain the topic